Welcome back to CryptoWealthy channel, guys. In today's video we're going to do a quick update on the Bitcoin price because over here we had something very interesting that happened in the previous days. The last video we did on technical analysis of the Bitcoin price. Over here we had the Bart-Simpson pattern. If we switch on 4-hourly chart, and we can see quick pump and dump over here. I really thought that the Bitcoin will break on the way to the upside and continuously go through $10,500, but that didn't happen because even so we had a strong volume. Some whale actually managed to push price after one day to the downside. Now the good part of this is that we managed to actually hold above this big trend line, yearly trend line that we had since 2.5 to 3 years, and the Bitcoin managed to find level of support on it. That's also very important because that means that the bulls are still in control, and one of the evidences that you can find is on daily chart. You can see those long wicks over here from those long candles over here managed to actually hold above 20 exponential moving average and bounce back above this triangle, which means that right now we are finding a level of support on it. Now very important thing that we need to mention, and we can actually draw over here on the chart, is $10,500. We can see multiple retests over here on that level, and one of them was 2-3 days ago over here, and we didn't manage to get above it. Now that's one of the biggest resistance that we are going to watch in the next days or so, because the Bitcoin is going to have struggle to break this level. I think the many traders and investors are aware of this level, and they are not going to put it behind them, at least not until we see bulls getting more strength to break this level. Now switching on the weekly chart, we can see that the MACD is still bullish, and there is still plenty of space to actually move to the upside. If we manage to see something like this that actually happened last year in this time, there is a possibility that we are going to break this very easily very soon, and we're going to see higher prices, especially because the halving is upon us and the effect will hit the road very soon, because there will be no more 12.5 bitcoins to put a pressure on the price right now. That's very important. And also this year we have a lot of regulation than we had in the previous halving, so that means that with the fundamentals and technicals we are going to see probably Bitcoin on the higher prices until the end of this year. Now one also fascinating thing over here on RSI, we can see that whenever the Bitcoin is above level of 50 over here, as we mentioned in the previous videos, we are bullish, and the Bitcoin is showing us that on the charts also. So we are still remaining bullish, and until we see breaking $8,000, $7,800, I cannot be bearish on the Bitcoin, because all signs are actually pointing out that we are bullish right now. Also, don't forget that we mentioned in the previous video, very important golden cross will happen very soon, and that's 20 exponential moving average together with the 50. Whenever we had that cross, we had a pretty bullish push on the Bitcoin price, as we can see over here. When those two moving averages managed to actually cross each other, we had a pretty good pump. Over here also 2015, that also happened before we had that big push to $20,000. Those two moving averages managed to cross each other, and after that, since then, we had a pretty long and big push. So right now we are standing almost there. In 2 weeks or so we're going to probably see this cross over here, which could potentially push and boost Bitcoin to the upside to break this $10,500. So overall we are bullish on the Bitcoin right now, and probably altcoins will follow the same thing. So make sure to prepare yourself for such moves, because Bitcoin may start parabolic move very soon. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. There is nothing too much significance over here to say, but it's important to update and to see if the Bitcoin price did actually something different. But as we can see over here, nothing is happening, so we need to still see breaking $10,500 over here before we can say anything, and before we can do and establish new technical analysis for the Bitcoin and for the next bull market. Now I want to thank each last one of you for watching our videos, ladies and gentlemen. As always, until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.